When you have kid power, clap your hands.
Hi everyone, I'm Maree from Kidpower. We have a bit of a situation here this morning. We have a problem. Kidpower Kiwi's just seen you all. I wanted to wave hello. We had a problem this morning, haven't we? Yes, I know. Kidpower Kiwi grew a really big pumpkin this year. We're so proud of it, weren't we? Well, in New Zealand we have another flightless bird, brown flightless bird with a big beak, called the weka. And the weka that lives here kicked a really big hole in Kidpower Kiwi's pumpkin. That big? That big. Oh no. And Kidpower Kiwi was hopping mad about it. Hopping mad. Really cross. Oh no. Oh no. It was awful, wasn't it? Kidpower Kiwi was so mad, he didn't know what to do, but hop, 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 hop. So I asked Kidpower Kiwi, do you think you could use one of your kid powers in this situation? I wonder which one. Oh, you look like you have an idea. Ah, what a wonderful idea. Calm down power? Yes, I think calm down power would be just right for this situation. Shall I show everyone out there how to do calm down? Okay. Well, would you like to sit down with the other animals and do your calm down power? And I'll show everybody out there. Okay. You come sit down with the others. You happy here? Or would you like to be up here with Floppy Dog? Okay, out there with Floppy Dog. Wonderful. Almost out of the screen. Right. Everyone, we're all going to do calm down power. And you use your breath. You take a breath in, like you are breathing in the smell of the flowers. Big long breath out, blowing out the birthday candles. And just press your hands together. And out. And in. And out. One more. Oh, lovely. I can even see some yawns. And how about you, Kidpower Kiwi? Everyone else is looking very calm. How are you feeling now? Oh, very calm, even a little bit sleepy. Oh, are you feeling better? Okay, shall we wave goodbye and you can have a wee nap? Bye everybody, see you next time.
When you have kid power, clap your hands. When you like kid power, clap your hands. When you know kid power, have kid power. Like kid power, clap your hands.
When I hear hurting words, I throw them away. When I hear hurting words, I throw them away.